Payne in the house. WZUP. Detroit's in the house.
What's that name again?
Martin Payne. WZUP. Detroit. What's up?
Well, I'm sorry, you're not in this register.
What you might want to do is check that list again, okay? It should say, Martin, what's up, Payne? What's up? What's up? What's up?
Sorry. You're not in this register.
You gonna give me one of these?
No, you gonna get on out of here. You don't want me to call Otis.